Whether you want to exercise and stay dash. So what do we? Stay fit, well, strong, healthy. We stay fit as well, but that would be same as to exercise, because they haven't written or here, they have written and. So they say whether you want to exercise, that means stay fit, or you want to stay healthy, and you want to stay healthy. Train professionally with like-minded people, or indulge in competitive streak. Trinity Sport and Fitness has not have covered. We have got a dash support development team. So we have got what kind of team is what is the question. So any word that can describe team. We have got a devoted team, dedicated team, keen team, and fanatical. Fanatical is also synonym of keen, only means curious, means enthusiastic. Devoted is used in the context of faithful, loyal. You can say devoted friend, or devoted towards something, means very loyal towards it. But for team, it will be better to say dedicated, because dedicated also includes very hardworking and very particular about their work. So that would be dedicated team, that they take their work very seriously and they put their best efforts in. That is dedicated team. On campus to support every student in taking part in sports. You might want to participate in sports competitions, volunteer within a local sports class, or play for fun with our social sports program. So play for fun, the sentence is complete. We should look for just an adverb. Simply, play for fun, just, only, merely. So only and merely are synonyms. That only, just like the word only, merely also means the same. Just and simply are synonyms, and simply is a better academic word for just. So it's better to go with or just play for fun, because only is not the thing. Only would be like you're coming just to play, but from the perspective of that you are not having anything else in your head, that fitness or exercise or anything. So that would be only, like we play 20 minutes video game is also playing for fun. But here it says simply play for fun, because you are exercising at that particular moment. Trinity Fitness members of our public facing sports facility will also entitle you to discounts when you are booking a sports facility and fitness class. You will also get an opportunity to dash from tailored personal training. So it too comes first form of verb. To benefit from, to advantage, to profit, to help. So we are getting something from personal training, that is not help or profit. Profit is more used in business context. When you get something more than you have invested, that is profit. And if it would be advantage, the sentence would be also get an opportunity to take advantage from. But since we don't have take, so it's better to say to benefit from tailored personal training.